That's about it.
Hey, Kyle. So, you know, just for fun, he decided to get this Honda motor and this frame. Only $100 for the motor, $100 for that. So he's only in it with the tires, the sick tires. It's around $300, and it's getting there. Of NES. Yeah. See. Car people or gamer people. Look at this. Holy crap. I didn't expect a whole... What are these called? Diorama? Look at the little trains. I want to make a little car. That's what I want to do. I want a little DD so I can put it in here and drive it around. This is badass. Does it move? It moves. Oh, look at the RV up top. Hell yeah. US 66. Figure something out for the cable?
I think so. I'm gonna take this bar, I'm gonna weld these bolts on each side of it, and then I'm gonna cut down the middle of the bolt long ways, and then put it over the cable and then put the nut on. That's my plan anyways.
So they took these two spacers, and in the top one, they water jetted holes to match the wheel stud for the new wheels that they have.
Find out. I lit the cable on fire, and the flames were clear, so I didn't know it was on fire. And I set it on the seat and walked away. It came back, and everything was on fire. And then the plastic came off the cable that was burning and burned my hand because I didn't know it was on fire because it was clear.
It's like, how do I know not to touch hot?
And then he said, "Is this still on fire?" And I was looking dead at him, like, I can't tell. I really can't tell.
It was still on fire.
There's a lot.
It was still on fire. What'd you guys put it out with?
I used one of my gloves. That's why we're down in the
Just trying to dimple the backs so that then the backs of the studs can sit in there.
one way and one the other to try to keep it in and out.
How's it turning out?
Still really hot, so I'm trying not to.
We could wait.
I never wait. That's why I'm gotta burn hand.
Waiting sucks, I know.
What I need to do next so I can be ready for Jared. I think I'm gonna wait on the radiator until we're done because welding around aluminum radiator is not a good idea.
Gotcha.
It blows holes up.
We don't need a hole in the radiator.
I'll just wait until we get the wheels on and those. I might be welding on those adapters.
This is the radiator that he's talking about.
Get these calipers on.
cat dog truck. So it looks like we're gonna remove the old ones now. That's everything she's got.
Negative.
Dang it.
That close.
Yeah.
It needs to go right there. It's about an inch and a half away. Oh well. Get a new line for this side, a new line for the back, and the wheel adapters are a big project. So most of those.
Pretty nice solution though.
Most of the day on this.
On the forklift?
Yeah. It's just easy.
This is how Kyle puts his toys away. We're about to head to Kyle's house. His go-kart project, motorcycle crossover, is amazing. Kyle was like, I'll text you the address and you can try to keep up. And didn't text me the address, so I guess I gotta try to keep up. You gotta get the side profile on this car. This one's for John. Oh, he did text me the address. Hell yeah. I did not keep up. There's officially too much stuff in my car. Oh no. Yo, so there's a lot of stuff in this car. Look at it all. I was able to have a wonderful dinner and watch some shows with Kyle and his family. And now I'm gonna finish trying to like sort out and clean this car. We have way more stuff than we need, but my phone's gonna die. I'm pretty sure the battery on the Yaris is gonna die. I also left my jack in Golconda and my socket set in Vegas, so we're gonna need to earn the money so we can afford those things. And yeah, I don't want to break down, so before we leave Utah and even start our Roadtrip Quest, we need to make sure that we acquire those. So I passed out instead of working on organizing the car. We made it to Utah and it's pretty here, but we haven't really even gone anywhere beautiful yet. Kyle's been telling me that the road through Zion up to the US 89 is supposed to be amazing. So we still need to plan the road trip, like where we're actually going. Okay, so I've managed to make some room so I could move forward. I have to DoorDash in this too, you know, so I can't stuff it to the brim. A lot of this is parts for the Yaris, so if we just use them to fix the Yaris, they'll go away. By parts to fix the Yaris, I mean that there's front brake pads and tie rod-ins. I got a helper. He's lost his ball though. How you gonna get it out? Get the ball. How you gonna get it out? He's smart.
Concerts out here all the time and stuff. It's a big wedding venue.
Dudes from here all the way up the mountain, Fred.
Alright, well I just got back from a sick drive in the Buick. And now, earlier I thought I had lost my keys and somewhere in the car, so we like basically tore the whole car apart to try to find the keys. Turns out they were in the dog's bed, because of course they were. This is my life right now, so I need to fix it. Okay, so we should probably get some work done, huh?